Hello and welcome to a new class. I can call it advanced class. So I will be making this design and it is a design for a cap and it is 2 by 2 inches high, 2.2 inches high and 4.2 inches wide. So let's start making it. And I will start from the letters and I mean this kind of letter I don't think so I have already. So I will make it first and then I will complete my design. Rest of the design, I mean. So my left click will make this type of sound, and my right click will make the other sound. I mean, right click is for the curve, and the left click is for straight lines. And when you press right click one time, it will not curve. On the second click, it will curve. So, yeah, I mean, hope you understand till there. So let's just complete this now. And after pressing enter two times, I can draw the angles, and I am using the complex turning right now. Let me turn on my keybase so you can see whatever I will press, and let me change it into setting because I am working on the setting design. So yeah, I mean these three are done because I made these three first because I will make first this and then the A will be completed from there. So yeah, I mean I can also start from here. This will be much better. Or I'm not sure, but let's just start from here. So again, I will take the complex turning and do the right clicks this time because it is a curve shape and just like curve. And for the zoom in, zoom out, I use the mouse wheel. So, if I put the mouse here and zoom in, I will go here, I will zoom out, and if I want to go here, I will just zoom in here. So, zoom in, and zoom out is pretty simple. So, let's just complete it. Hmm, somewhat like I think I will do till here, and the rest of the A will go from there. So, let's just, I think, mm, somewhat like here. Okay, it's fine. It should be fine. After pressing enter two times, I can make the angles on this one. So it is a complex turning, that's why. And I will make the rest of the now. Let's make it like this first, and from here I will continue. Okay, so till here, I mean, I mean this all. What I'm going to say, yeah. So this all design I will be making only on the complex turning because it has so many curves and the shapes which has multiple angles. So I won't be using the complex fill because complex fill is for only the how do you say it, only for the straight shapes which don't have any multiple angles. So yeah, I think and RA is pretty much done. So yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. A little bit, I mean, you know, these are the connecting stitches, so that's pretty fine. Or I think, let's check one thing. I can merge them if I want to. Let's check. Hmm. Does it look nice? Nah, I think it is that is much better. So, nope. Say no to the merge. Mm, let's move on to the, let's give it the color red and move on to the U. Again, I will be using the complex turning, and first I will make this one. Yeah, it is pretty nice. So I will just move on to the next object. I mean, the most part is of the tracing. I mean, the most part of any design is the tracing only. You just have to keep tracing it and till it is completed. That's the digitizing thing. You just have to trace everything. I mean, if you are making with your own thoughts, then it will take a lot of time, you know. I mean, even you are using your own thoughts, you will first draw an image with your pencil or maybe sketch pen, whatever you will be using. So, yeah, that's what I recommend. Mm, let's just, it is much better now. So, this will be the U. I think the angles are pretty bad here. So, I can do this. Let's just remove this. Yep, now that's good. And let's give it the yellow color. And for the A, I will just check it, what I can do with it. So let's do the T. And for the T, we will start from here because we always make the lower shape first, then we make the upper shape. So they overlap and they come out good when they are digitized by the machine. It is done. Let's just do this T complete, and my software is hanged. I don't know why. It never usually happens, but I'm not sure what happened here. Why it hanged? What the heck? Oh, never mind. My mouse battery went dead actually. I was thinking that my software is hanged. Well, never mind. So I just connected it to the cable. I am using a wireless mouse, which is the Attack Shark X11. So yeah, let's complete it. Mm, oopsie. I will just fix it now after this. So yeah, I mean this is a nice opportunity to learn a new thing. I mean to show a new thing. Just give me a minute. So Whenever you make any mistake like this, so you can just press H, all right, the H, or you can just add like this stitch angle, or maybe I mean click reshape, select the object, okay, and yeah, it is already selected, so I just added a little, I mean, what do you say, a new click inside the shape. So let's give it the color purple. Also, one more thing, it is a design, all right, and it has multiple colors. So I have to like, press Control K, take this, copy paste, okay, and I will go to the, where is the graphics, and I will do um, adjust, no, not adjust. It was add bitmap colors, all right. So once I will do, it will give me the bitmap colors, and my photo will turn into something bad. You can say, I mean, this photo is pretty nice, but if you can see, this one is like this and this one is like this. It is kind of vectorized now, but I won't use it because I want to use the original. I mean the original photo, and I have the colors here now. So yep, let's start coloring it. Oops, my bad again, and we will lock it. It is locked with the K button, and let's make the eye. I mean, first of all, I will do the T, which is the purple color, and let's do the eye now. Again, simple, just keep doing the right clicks when it is curved. As you can see, it is kind of bad shape, so I will do one left click and one right click, then right click. See, again it is bad, so I will just do two left click, then I will continue with the right clicks. So everything is in the shape. I mean, you don't have to be too precise. It is, what do you say? I have this habit of being too precise with these designs. You don't have to, because embroidery threads are always just, they just work easily. I mean, if there is minor mistake, you don't have to look too much on it. So yeah, mm, let's make it now here. Let's do the S. I hope this sound is not too annoying, the tuk 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 sound. Um, I mean, it will help you what I'm pressing. I don't like the sound too much, so I have actually like mm, lower it from the Windows menu. But for you, I can also lower it more. Let me check after this. Okay, so two times enter, then I will start to make angles. Okay, S is done. Let's see what color we have. Okay, this is an orange. I'm not going for the pink because it is only one color. So let's make eye with the only orange color, which will be This one? I'm not going for the pink. Who wants to go for only one small dot with a one color? I'm not going for it until my client asks for that. I'm not going. So yeah, let's just make the M. So for the M, it is a little bit complicated here, as I can see. So I will make the I first. Let's just let me see. So I goes from like it is not an I, so it is a part of M, right? So I mean I can do it like this maybe. Yeah. So let's do the M from here. Simple. And same as that, we will end it here. Hmm, it looks nice. I think so. Let's complete it first and we will see then. Hmm, if it is not looking good, I will just complete it in a one go. So it won't be that much bad, I think. I think it is looking pretty nice. It is looking nice. So I will just go with it and I will not make one shape. I will make it with the multiple shape. Pretty nice. It's looking nice. So let's just give it a color blue. So let's make the MOM mom. So for the mom, we will make it till here. Then we will go from here to here. And then we will complete this. All right. So let's start it again. Oh yeah, one more thing. I will just lower the tick tick volume for you. So it won't disturb you pretty too much. Hmm, I will be making it from here to here, so let's just do this like a little bit more because yep, somewhat like this. And let's just I think I should fast forward the video at some places because it gets pretty boring when you watch something like this that I keep clicking, and sometimes I've even forgot to do the commentary on my on what I'm doing. So it is pretty repetitive, but it is what it is, you know. You have to make the design so you can buy yourself some food, you know. I mean, I'm doing it for the money, so I need some money. It's not my hobby, but I kind of enjoying tracing stuff, copying things. I mean, making the duplicate of things. I'm a pretty bad person sometimes, you know. Not a bad person, you can say. I'm a good person actually, but this is my style of stealing. Hmm? I don't like to steal, but I like to steal the kind of design, make it my own. Like, I mean, I'm not stealing things, I'm just changing the design into the embroidery. So it's that kind of stealing. So yeah, let's just make the O. And for the O, it is pretty simple. I will just, I have to explain it. So I will make the inner circle first. Okay, inner circle. And then after one enter, don't press enter two times, only one enter. And after that, they will allow you to make a new shape, which you can say it is a hole, or maybe if I draw inside of it, it will make a hole. If I do outside of it, it will make a different thing, which I will just show you right now. I think we have M already, so let me just try if it fits. Guess it pretty much fits. I want to make it a little bit larger, I think. Somewhat like that, and a little bit smaller, compact, a little bit lower, and voila, that's done. Let's go. And black color, it is not black, it is some other color, but I don't care. I can make it. Does it? It doesn't mind because when you are choosing the machine, so machine will ask what color you want in what shape. So yeah, MSITUA and MOM, which is the black. Okay, all good. And let's make the puzzle pieces. Again, I will use the complex fill because it has different angles. Or maybe, mm, what should I do with this? Let me think about it. Should I make something different? Like I make a certain stitch, then a certain stitch, certain fill, I mean, and a certain fill, and a certain fill. Let's do that. I think it will be pretty much better. I mean, it will be a little bit time taking, but it will worth it. I think so. So let's just make one shape only first and see how the outcomes come out. Oops, I pressed the wrong button. I wanted to press S. Nope, I don't want to go too far. I will go till here maybe. As I said, this puzzle piece will take a little bit time, but it might worth the time. So, which I am thinking it won't, but you never know until you give try to something, and this is much better. And I will just it is good now. So let's just replicate it, copy, paste, and horizontal. Then I will rotate it like this. Never mind. Again, never mind. Oh, this is kind of pretty bad, I think. I think I have to do upside down, maybe. Yep, it is pretty well. I mean, the circle is a little bit out of the shape, but yeah, it sits well. So I won't complain on it. And I will move further with the last part, which is the inside of it. And I will do from here to here, then like this. No, not this one. This won't look good. If I do this. And oh, this looks nice, I think. Come on, this looks nice, I think. And if I do one complete shape, let's see one thing. I will weld it, and this is one complete shape, and I have to do it in the satin. So let's try to make something like this. So let's just what looks good? Hmm, I'm not sure, but I think this is much better. Yeah, this is pretty better. So sorry, the heart shape. I won't take you home. So you are going to get reject. No, I won't reject you that fast. I'm still kind of confused here. Yeah, I think this is fine. And I will just go with it. Or maybe this. I mean, I kind of like this, but It isn't pleasing, so that's what it is. Okay, so we have this. Okay, and we can move it on the first thing. And maybe this looks pretty well. Let me think about it. Hmm, I'm going with this because these kind of shapes looks better when they are set in, right? I mean, it is the game of stitches, right? The more stitches, the better the design, and I think I win here. So it is what it is. It took me some time, but again, worth the time. And I can also I think replicate it like this. No, I don't think so. I guess we have to go for a little bit of a long game. So you know what? Nah, not today. Sorry guys again. I'm sorry, and I will just delete this and make whole shapes with the tatami fill maybe. Let's see. Nah, we will do certain and that's it. No more question asked. You know, sometimes you look at too many shapes and think what I will do with them. Then you have to take the plan B, which is the simple one, because the sometimes results. I mean, result does matter, but on small thing like this, I think one shape should be very good. So let's just complete it. I have to adjust. Okay, this is pretty nice. If you think it is looking good, then go with it. Simple. Oh shit. Okay, these are some bad stitches here. So I think, or how about I take a knife and cut it out? Nah, I will just enter it into tatami. Or maybe, let's see if I can use the auto split. No, I will just take the knife and do it into pieces and Alright, it is fine. So let's just move on to this one now. Okay, so I guess it is taking a lot of time right now. So I think this video will be, I guess, around 45 minutes long. But I hope that you learn something from it, and I will be fast forwarding it from now on. I mean, I will not be, because if I do it, the video, I mean, the memory will get, how to say it, it will take too much time to upload because of the editing thing. So I won't be editing it, and I will just upload it as raw. This looks good. So let's do this last two. I mean, we can copy it, I think. I guess it is pretty fine. Hmm, I guess it is fine. So I will just go with it and don't mind it. Because a little bit minor change is fine. What happened to my mouse here? I will just save it as I'm not sure what happened to my mouse, so I will just close it. New design, open again. I don't know what key did I press, but I don't like this thing, but it is what it is. Sometimes, I have to deal with something which you don't like, and right now I am dealing with something that I don't like. Okay, it fixed. Never mind. I don't know how did it, but it got fixed somehow. Ah, it's not looking good. Let's try to mirror it. Nope. So I will just delete it and make a new shape because I don't think so it will have a problem like the old one. And that's it. I mean, it is completed almost. So yeah, again, thanks for watching and hope you learned. Okay, yeah, one more thing. Now it is everything is done, so we will just start to branch it. Press I to branch, or you will select the branching from here, which is this one. So I will start from here and end it here. So as you can see, our A is a complete letter now. So for the U also, I will branch it. For the T also, that is my name. And let's do this one and this and this. And let's change the colors. So yeah, I think it is done. And let's now, after everything is done, we can arrange the color in our, how do we want like, so red, yellow, purple, orange, black, then okay, we will take the red back. Okay, so red, yellow, and purple, black, green, and blue. So everything is branched, and if I go click this, as you can see here, we have 12 trims and we have 12 letters. So the less the trims, the easier the making of design, and there is a less chance of thread to break. So yeah, it is completed and hope you like it, and yeah, hope you learned something how to make a logo just by using complex turning or anything else. Also, one more thing, I will select it all. I will just add an underlay also. Mm, I can do underlay as a edge run. I can do. Yep, edge run will be fine, or maybe center run. I can't find. Okay, I think I can't do the center run because I have to select everything first. Then I can do the center run. But but yeah, I will just take the edge run, or let's just do the center run. Okay, so it doesn't have multiple angles, right? So let's just do one thing. I will select everything. I will unselect them, and I can do the center run now. Okay, these are done with the center run, and I will select them, and I will do the edge run on them. Yep, these have the edge run, and these have the center run. Okay, never mind. This is center run, and sometimes it gets pretty annoying, right? So yeah, I mean the underlays are done, the branching is done, the sequence is done, which is this one. This is a sequence. It is done, and I think this design is ready to go now, and it can be stitched out. Sorry for making the video a little bit longer, but hope you understand again how the designs work. And thank you for watching again. Have a good day. Bye bye.